Here's a 2016 Honda Civic Coupe. Get more mileage out of every drive with this Civic. It's well equipped with the features you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation. Adaptive cruise control with low speed follow. Front heated leather bucket seats. Auto-dimming rear view mirror. Bluetooth hands-free link. Dual zone climate control. Continuously variable automatic transmission. Express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof. Gas pressurized shocks. And intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Car and Driver finds its design is sleek and fastback-like, with a large, severely raked greenhouse that no longer includes frumpy front quarter windows. Every Honda's designed with the driver in mind. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.